All right, my friend, I would like for you to go to the back of your packet and find this piece of paper. You're going to be writing on it and taking notes during this video, so you'll need to gently tear it out of the packet. You will also need to write your name, number, and date on this piece of paper. Very important. So pause the video, do that now, and come back to me. So on this piece of paper, we have at the top addition and subtraction mistakes. Below it, it says there are 4 common mistakes you can make during addition, and then we have 4 blanks. Underneath it says there are 6 common mistakes you can make when you subtract. So what you are going to do with this piece of paper is you are going to write in it while you're watching these videos, and as you watch these videos, you're going to record the 4 common mistakes that you can make during addition, and you'll write each one of them down in the spots. Don't worry, I'll let you know what they are. And then at the bottom, when you watch the subtraction video, you will write down the 6 common mistakes you can make when you subtract. So make sure you do not lose this piece of paper as you go from this video to the subtraction video, and make sure that you write down each of the mistakes for addition and subtraction so you can get credit for it. All right, let me get a problem up on our screen and we'll talk about mistakes you can make when you add. So I have a math problem in front of me, 267 plus 81, and I'm going to go ahead and just solve this. I have 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 8 plus 2 is 10. So my answer to this addition problem should be 1077. What do you think? Take a moment and look at that problem. Should my answer be 1077? Because I answered, I added 7 plus nothing is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 8 is 10. If you said the answer is not 1077, you are correct, because I made a big mistake in this addition problem. And it's a mistake people do a lot. Even grown-ups do it. Don't worry, we do it too. But when I wrote out this addition problem, I did not line up my place value spots. You see, I wrote out 267, and then when I wrote out 81, I did not match the place value spots up. I put the 1 in 81 in the tens place, and I put the 8 in the hundreds place. That's a big mistake. Let me rewrite this so we can do it the correct way. 267 plus 81. Oh, that looks so much better. So now I can add correctly. 7 plus 1 is 8. Excuse me. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry that over. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Do you see how these answers vary? The correct answer is 348. Earlier I got 1077. That's a huge difference. So one of the first common mistakes is in addition is not lining up the numbers by place value. Not lining up the numbers by place value. This is the moment where you need to write that down on that piece of paper in the number 1 spot. Pause the video, do that now, and I'll get another problem up for us to look at. All right, I have an addition problem in front of us. What do you think of it? I'm going to give you a moment to look at it. Think about what's going on in this problem. We have 369 plus 245, and I've got 5014 as my answer. What do you think? Is there some kind of a mistake I made? And what mistake is that? Well, looking at this problem, hopefully you could see, or you would know in your mind, that if I have 3 hundreds, 3 in the hundreds place and 2 in the hundreds place, when I add them together, I'm not going to get 5,000, obviously. So let's look at what I actually did wrong in this problem. In this problem, I started adding in the hundreds place instead of adding in the ones place. I added 3 plus 2 is 5, and then I added 6 plus 4 is 10, and I just started regrouping, going to the right instead of to the left. I made a big mistake that people do in addition. Let me rewrite this problem the correct way. 369 plus 245. Let's add this correctly in the ones place. 9 plus 5 is 14. 6 plus 4 is 10. Add one more, that makes 11. And 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 more, it makes 6. So my total is actually 614. See the huge difference in the answer? So the second common mistake that people make during adding is adding in the wrong direction. Adding in the wrong direction. Write that down in the second spot on your paper. I'll get another problem up for us to look at. All right, in front of us on the left side, I've got 579 plus 624, and my answer is a whopping 11,913. What do you think about this answer? I want you to take a look at the problem on the left, and I want you to try to figure out what I did wrong. Okay, pause the video and look at it and ask yourself, what did Mrs. Stalkup do wrong here? It might take you a moment. Well, if you look, I added in the ones place. I started in the ones place, and 9 plus 4 is 13. But what did I do with that 13? I stuck them both down there in the tens place value, in the ones place value, or I try to fit them in there somewhere, but you can't do that when you add. And we'll talk about that why in a second. But then I just added 7 plus 2 is 9, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. So when I added, what did I do wrong? I did not regroup. Mistake number 3, not regrouping. Write that down. Pause the video and write that down. The mistake number 3, not regrouping. Okay, let's go to the problem on the right and fix this. 9 plus 4 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. Excuse me. And 8 plus 1 is 10. And look how I'm putting only one number below each place value spot. That's the rules. Only one number. You regroup the rest, and you always regroup 10 too. We'll talk about that in the next video. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. My actual answer is 1,203. That is the correct answer. So you have written down in the third spot that the common mistake in adding is not regrouping. Let me get another problem up. Okay, let's talk about the last common mistake that people can make when they add. On the left, I have 425 plus 86, and my answer is 401. That's interesting. I don't know how my answer could be less than the first number because we're adding, but let's look and see. What mistake do you think that I did? Well, I lined up my place value spots. Correct. I have one number in each place value spot in my answer. I started adding in the ones place. That's where I started adding, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. But what did I do wrong? I did not carry. Mistake number 4, I did not carry. When you add, and you have to regroup, you must carry the number over. 5 plus 6 is 11. I need to show that in the tens place, because that will affect my answer. You see that? I didn't have that up there. Let me do it correctly over here. 5 plus 6 is 11. That means 2 plus 1 is 3, excuse me, and 8 plus 3 is 11. And then I need to carry again. 4 plus 1 is 5. Do you see how my answers are way different now? So mistake number 4, they do not carry, or you do not carry when you add. And also I want to show you, excuse me, when you carry, you always move 10 over, or when you borrow, when you regroup, whatever the word is that you're using, it's always 10. Always 10. Okay. So we have 4 mistakes in adding. You should have written them down on your paper. Hold on to your paper while you go on to the next step, and you'll reuse your paper when you do the subtraction video.